Yo, it's the main man Ty coming back on the attack, man. Gonna rock right now with something brand new, man. I need to look like the what the Bestbomg cheese graters? What are we talking about? The cheese grater trimmers? No, we're actually calling the Bestbomg crown trimmers, man. These are the hot joints, man. Let me show you what they're all about. Oh, there we go. Now I got these bad boys because someone called me and let me know, yo, Ty, they got something hot out there. You need to check it out. See if you like it. Do a few cuts with it, and I did. So I had to check them out. I actually bought 6 of these bad boys, not just one, 6 of these bad boys. Let me do the unboxing first. Inside of here, you got exactly 1, 2, 3, 4. You got four guards that come with these bad boys right here. Okay? You also got the cord, with this cord right here is the USB cord right here. Goes with it as well. The instruction manual right here. So on the Bestbomg right here. The Bestbomg crowns, baby. The crown trimmers, Bestbomg crown trimmers. All right, right here. I'm just gonna bring it out. I'm gonna hold no time. Also, wait. One more thing. We got the brush. The brush come with it, okay? Now I'm gonna put this out right now. Here we go. Got this bad boy right here, rocking and rolling, hitting and dropping. Everything is nothing's gonna stop it. This bad boy can actually go. It runs at 6,800 RPMs. That's right. Sound is nice and quiet. The motor is really strong. The engine, not the engine, the blade is really nice. Really nice, cuts very, very well. You're gonna like doing your outlines with this bad boy. So at the front of the head and the back, going down the sides, you're gonna really love this bad boy. It can do it. It can really do it. It's an excellent, excellent trimmer. It is also a very beautiful trimmer. I mean, it shimmers when you hold it. It's like you got diamonds in your hand or something. It's very, very beautiful when you hold it. The light just bounces off it. It's really nice, man. It's very strong though. It's all metal. Has a hole at the end. It's very, very good. You will really like these bad boys. I'm telling you right now. These are the hottest joints. Well, let's say that the hottest joints in the world, but hot joints that are very economical. You can get a pair of these bad boys or get 2 pair of these bad boys and you set for a while, bro. You'll be doing some nice professional cuts, make some money doing some cuts. Whatever, if you're a barber, you should know. Sometimes you gotta get the other ones. There's several of the other ones in case the top joints break. You got backups that are just as good and can do just as good cuts, edging, outlines, whatever you need. These bad boys are hot. Let me let you know now. Okay, these are not toys. These are for professional use only. So I'm letting you know now. These are the bad boys right here. These are the Bestbomg crown trimmers. They're hot. You need to get you a pair of these bad boys. If you don't know, now you know. Your main man Ty letting you know what's up. And yo, peace.